Waterproofing is only as effective as the process behind it. Each Amitek product has a defined application process. When followed correctly, it delivers protection that lasts for years. Every area of your structure faces different challenges, which needs different waterproofing solutions, application process, and technologies. Now, let's understand about the best way to waterproof a structure. Before any waterproofing application begins, a site supervisor must ensure that basic steps of construction were followed correctly. Slope was properly maintained. Ensure there are no defects in concreting work. Otherwise, it may cause leaks through beams and slabs. Joints between vertical and horizontal surfaces at parapet walls and roof junctions should always be properly reinforced and sealed. Joints in brickworks and sunken portions in bathrooms must be filled and compacted properly before layering. Ensure integral waterproofing chemicals were added in concrete at the time of construction. First, clean the surface. Remove dust, grease, loose particles on the surface that prevents the waterproofing solution from bonding correctly. Then, pressure wash and dry the surface. Then, clean the cracks, cut them in V-shape, and fill them with Amitek crack filler. Remember to scratch the surface if it's smooth for better adhesion of the solution in the surface. Once the surface is ready, Amitek Nano Pore sealing product is applied, which is two-component-based system. HWR22 and CMP78 is then mixed and applied on site. The standard mixture ratio is 1:2:20. For better absorption, the solution should be sprayed on vertical surfaces and applied using a brush or a roller on horizontal surfaces. Amitek Nano Pore sealing product should be diluted with water before application. Every waterproofing product has a specific water dilution ratio defined on its packaging. It should be followed for best results. The product coverage may vary depending on the porosity of the substrate. A more porous or uneven surface will require additional material. Under standard conditions, 1 liter provides coverage of approximately 25 to 40 square meters. On front elevated surfaces where stones are installed, the grooves should be filled with PU sealant or epoxy grout, while Amitek Nano Pore solution HWR22 is enough and should be sprayed on the stones, which acts as a strong water repellent. This waterproofing system can be used in many areas of the building, such as kitchen, bathroom, basement retaining wall, balcony, etc. If you are planning to install tiles over the waterproofing layer, Amitek's cementitious HMC 501 film-forming waterproofing product should be applied over the nanopore sealing layer, acting as a final layer and filling the big cracks in the surface. A 40 GSM fiber mesh is installed, especially on the edges and near the water pipes. It is installed over its first layer, which then should be followed by another layer of HMC 501. Under standard conditions, the coverage area of HMC 501 is approximately 25 to 22 square feet per liter. Remember, if the first coat is applied vertically, the following coat should be applied horizontally for better adhesion. If no tiles are to be installed over the nanopore waterproofing layer, then Amitek's Smart Duo Shield Damproof is the best and long-term option, acting as the final layer of waterproofing. Each coat must be allowed to dry completely before the next is applied to ensure proper hard drying. The application should always be carried out between 5 degrees Celsius and 35 degrees Celsius, and never in foggy conditions. When the Amitek Nanopore sealing waterproofing technology is applied correctly, it provides the structure with long-term protection against a wide range of factors. Avoid your building interiors and exteriors look horrible within few years, and ensure your building health remains great in a long run. So be wise and ensure right quality waterproofing in your building. To understand more, contact professionals from Amitek. We are a government-recognized star export house of specialty coatings. Call or WhatsApp on the following numbers for more details.